Remember when you were a kid and you used to play jump rope? Well, jump rope benefits now extend beyond leisure and play. In today's video, learn why jumping rope is a wonderful addition to your fitness routine. The benefit of jumping rope is numerous, from burning calories to improving your coordination and building endurance. Plus, it's an excellent workout for all levels, from beginner to advanced. When was the last time you did some rope jumping? Probably you can't remember. Don't worry, you're not alone. Keep watching because you're about to find out the amazing benefits you will rip from jumping rope. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press that subscribe button. If you have done that, then comment subscribe down below. So what are the benefits of jumping rope? 1. Burns calories. 2 10-minute jump rope sessions can burn up to 200 calories. Every week, a 7-day practice routine may help you burn more than 1,000 calories. A 20-minute run burns around 100 to 150 calories, so why not use a jump rope for your morning exercise? Every day, 15 minutes of practice can burn 200 to 300 calories. Because 1 pound of fat is equivalent to around 3,500 calories, jumping every day will only take about 12 days to drop a pound. 15 minutes is a little amount to pay for such breathtaking results. Improve brain power. We are all aware that exercise is beneficial to the brain. But did you know that activities that require both physical and mental labor, such as slacklining, ballroom dancing, or jumping rope, have a greater impact on cognitive function than fitness pursuits that need only physical activity, such as treadmill running or stationary bike riding? The finest brain workouts need synchronization, rhythm, and strategy. Jumping rope requires coordination, spatial awareness, and accuracy, so your brain is working with you. Exercise that is mentally taxing improves cognitive performance. When you jump rope, all hemispheres of your brain are engaged. By honing your skills with new approaches, your brain may form new neural connections. In fact, a daily practice may protect or even improve memory. So, the next time you're jumping rope, challenge yourself to try some jump rope techniques. They turn out to be beneficial to your brain. Stronger bones. Because of the repetitive collision with the ground with each leap, jumping rope enhances bone density. Lower bone density is linked to an increased risk of death. That is why it is critical to increasing your skeletal strength before it begins to decline later in life, generally around the age of 50. Increases your heart rate. The heart rate rises as a result. This allows the heart muscles to work harder to pump oxygenated and deoxygenated blood throughout the body, which promotes heart health and height growth. According to a 12-week study on the effect of skipping on children, rope jumping may help lessen the prevalence of cardiovascular disease in younger groups. Help tones muscles. Jumping rope is an excellent full-body workout. It helps you tone up all areas of your body. It will not help you create lean muscle, but it will train your biceps, triceps, shoulders, calves, thighs, and glutes if done at a greater intensity. According to Virgin Active trainer Dorota Masluska, may increase coordination, stamina, and focus since it uses so many different parts of your body. We could all benefit from reduced weariness, right? Jumping rope is a simple and effective cardiovascular workout with several benefits. So put on some music and sweat it out. Incorporate a 5-minute fat-burning skipping exercise into your workout routine to warm up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay healthy and beautiful.